Hi, I'm Emily with Lite, and today I'm going to show you how easy it is to install our fully waterproof, solar-powered deck and dock light on various dock panels such as ThruFlow, SureStep, Titan, SunWalk, and more. First, you'll need to purchase Lite's special mounting kit for the brand of dock that you own. You'll install the bolts and use the flared nuts. Decide where you want to place your light. Align the special flared nuts horizontally and place them in the dock. Then tighten the bolts, and the special flare nuts will lock into place underneath. The dock light is now securely in place. As you can see underneath, the special flared nuts locked automatically into place without needing access to underneath your dock. To remove the light from your dock, simply loosen the bolts. I'm Emily with Lite. Thanks for watching.